Chose my course at ECU because ever since I was a kid, I grew up with a passion for science. I always found myself pulling things apart around me, trying to figure out how they function. Jump forward a few years, I completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering back home, and that's when I figured even though I could put mechanical projects together, I couldn't gain control over them. And that lack of skill is what drove me to choosing mechatronics engineering. The thing I liked about the course at ECU was that it wasn't heavily tailored to someone who was from the electronics background, but it was the correct balance at the right pace to get adept with both the disciplines. My study experience was both fun and challenging, but at the end of the day, it left me in a state where I feel confident as a mechatronics engineer. The best part was where I got to work on my final year project, where I designed and built an unmanned ground vehicle. It gives me a great sense of satisfaction seeing something go from an idea in your head to being a completed design product. I made quite a lot of friends over the duration of my course. Met quite a few locals and a lot of people from other parts of the world as well. I work as a mechatronics design engineer for a robotics and non-destructive testing company called Nexus. We design, modify, and build robotic systems as complete end-to-end solutions for pipeline and subsea inspection. At work, I still use my skills, be it mechanical design, electronics, or software, that I learned over the course and by completing my project. Over my course at ECU, I was a member of the ECU Robotics Club, and I took part in the ECU NIAC team as well, which stands for National Instruments Autonomous Robotics Competition. Perth's a pretty laid-back city. It's not very crowded. It's got good public transport for uni students. There's good work opportunities in the mining and energy sector as well, and there's many nice beaches and quite a few places around Perth that you can go and visit. Being a pretty niche stream, it's a good time to get on board mechatronics engineering, as a lot of industries in the world are moving towards automation and robotics. Completing this course lets you be in the forefront of the industry, and Perth is a pretty good place to start from because we've got a lot of mining and energy industries.